Hello, my dear students. Welcome to this course and thanks for taking this course. I really appreciate that. So, now we are ready to go into the world of matrices. Sounds interesting, huh? And learn everything starting from the very basic to advanced in matrices. And don't worry, my dear students, if you have any query regarding matrices, you are free to ask me. Okay? I'm with you and I'm going to solve your problems. Okay? So let's get started. So first of all, as I said, starting from the very basic, its definition and representation of the matrices. So the definition of matrices is a rectangular arrangement of symbols which can be real or complex numbers along rows and columns is a matrix. I hope you know what complex numbers are. Actually, complex numbers is a combination of a real part and an imaginary part, whether they can be added or subtracted. Okay, it's a completely different topic. Okay, now so this is the actual representation of a matrices. There are three rows and three columns in this matrices, and in here m rows and n columns. Basically, the horizontal ones are the rows and the vertical ones are the columns. Okay. Thus, a system m cross n symbols arranged in a rectangular formation along m rows and n columns and bounded by the brackets as they are is called an m by n matrix, which can be written as m cross n matrix, and we normally says that m cross n matrix. Okay, that is, this is a matrix of order m cross n. Now in a compact form, the above matrix is represented by A equals to Aij within brackets, where I lies between 1 to m and j lies between 1 to n. The numbers 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and so on etc. of this rectangular area are called the elements of the matrix. Okay, the elements Aij belongs to the ith row and the jth column and is called the element of the matrix, as this is the representative of element of a matrix which lies in the ith row and the jth column. Okay, now the principal diagonal. Okay, the diagonals from left hand side, that is this, upper corner to the right hand side, lower side, lower corner, that is this, is known as the leading diagonal or principal diagonal element. That means the three highlighted ones, these are called this entire diagonal is called the principal diagonal of a matrix, and these are the elements of the principal diagonal. Okay, so in the next part we have the classification of matrices, basically the types of the common matrices. Okay, the first one is the row matrix. A matrix having a single row, as the name suggests, is called a row matrix. Example, this. It can have any number of columns but a single row. Okay, remember. Then the column matrix. Same as the row matrix, as the name suggests, a matrix having a single column is called a column matrix. Example, see, it have only one column but it can have multiple rows. Okay, now next we have equal matrix. So here we have two matrices, but what makes two matrices equal? What are the conditions? Okay, so two matrices are said to be equal if they have the same order and each element of one is equals to the corresponding elements of the other. In the example we can see that each and every element of matrix A is equals to matrix B, even the positions of every matrix, as you can see, and also the order. This is of 3 cross 3 order matrix and this is 2, a 3 cross 3 order matrix. Okay, I hope you get it. In the next part we have a square matrix. An m cross n matrix, an m cross n matrix A is said to be a square matrix if m equals to n. That is, the number of rows in the matrix should be equals to the number of columns in the matrix. As in the example, it has 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so this is basically the example of a square matrix. So my dear students, that's it for this lecture. I hope it's enough for this lecture. I hope you understand everything that I told you in this lecture, and we are going to learn more interesting stuff related to matrices in upcoming lectures. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I will see you in the next lecture.